Okay, so we were discussing about the Coriolis component. Okay, suppose only link R it is given, A R it is given. So which are the components are there when you are finding acceleration? Which are the two components are there? One it is a one it is a which are the two components? Suppose
Slider, sir.
only link
Sir,
AR
axle,
is there. So suppose you want to find the acceleration of link R with respect to A. So how will you find it? So you that time you will be having only two components. Which are they? One it is a tangential component.
Slaughter lever.
No, lever it is the piston is not there right now. We are assuming only one link AR it is there, and you want to find acceleration of link R with respect to A. So which are the two components involved? One it is a tangential component, and its magnitude is alpha into R, where alpha is what? It is angular acceleration, and R is what? R is what?
Radial.
R it is a length of the link, whatever length of the link AR. So you can get tangential vector. Okay. So suppose I want to draw acceleration of point R with respect to A. So this is fixed point. I'm writing as A1 suffix we are using for acceleration. So first of all, I will draw the tangential component because alpha is known to you and length of the link it is known to you. So you can draw the tangential component. Now why I have taken this direction? Right hand direction, not left hand direction. It is perpendicular
sir,
tangential. Yes, yes.
sir, it is moving clockwise direction. That's
It
why.
is rotating clockwise. So tangential component it is perpendicular to the link. So perpendicular to the link means in this direction, and right hand side it is rotating clockwise direction. Alpha it is given clockwise direction. So that is why I have drawn arrow in right hand side. Now you will be having another component, that is a radial component or centripetal component. So how will you find centripetal component? Centripetal component. How will you find centripetal component? We have discussed it. Yes. Anybody? How will you find centripetal component? Centripetal component it means it is towards the center of rotation, and its magnitude is what? V square R. V square by R. Now, for this to find centripetal component, what you need? You need velocity diagram. तो यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा? Velocity of R with respect to A. So now and direction it is toward the center of rotation means it is in this direction. So from here I need to draw. Now magnitude is known to me, direction is known to me, so I can draw the centripetal component. Okay, so this is point R1. So this is the acceleration of point. Now you can measure this. Now suppose if I ask you to find the acceleration of point R with respect to A, so what you can do, you can measure this component A1 R1 and you can convert it into according to your scale. Okay, so this is tangential component, so I can substitute as T, and this is centripetal component, so I can substitute as C. Is this clear? Now slide we are not considering the slider right now. Is this clear? Any confusion? Yes or no?
No, sir.
No,
Okay,
sir.
fine. Means you have two components. One it is a tangential component, and another is radial component or centripetal component. Fine. Now, now suppose you are having one slider. One slider. Now the link it is rotating, and slider is it is sliding on the link AR. So I can P it is on slider, and Q it is on the link AR. Okay, point P it is on slider, and Q it is on link AR. Are you able to visualize the things? आप visualize कर सकते हो? On right hand side I have I have shown one pair, sliding pair. तो यहाँ पे देखो slider. I have taken one point P. It is on slider, but Q it is on link AR. पता चल रहा है? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So P it is moving, but Q it is on link AR. Now suppose if I want to find the acceleration of point Q with respect to, oh, sorry, I want to find the acceleration of point P with respect to A. So that time I need to consider Coriolis component also. We have discussed it and its magnitude. Coriolis component ka, so we have discussed this in last lecture. You can resolve component in along the link AR and perpendicular to link AR. So ultimately what you can get, let me, so this is what the Coriolis component, its magnitude is 2 omega v. Omega it is angular velocity and v it is a velocity component. Let me take you to the next page. Now this will make you, this will make the things clear. Okay. Now P it is on slider and Q it is just beneath the point P. Okay, now I want to find the absolute acceleration of point P. So what? It is acceleration parallel to the AR, and these are the two components per parallel to link AR and perpendicular. We have discussed in we have derived this to parallel to the link AR and perpendicular to the link AR. So ultimately you will get this. The parallel component it is this much. Just a minute. Parallel component it is F minus omega square R. F it is acceleration, linear acceleration of piston. What is omega square R? कोई बताएगा? What is omega square R?
Angular velocity, sir.
Angular omega it is angular velocity, but omega square R what it is? Yes, any student?
Sir, acceleration.
For the linear velocity.
Sir, angular acceleration.
Sir, angular acceleration.
This is acceleration. This is acceleration only because you are subtracting from acceleration. This is a linear acceleration of piston F. I have denoted by F because it is parallel to the link AR. So point P. Now I'm subtracting omega square R. So suppose V is equals to R omega. So if I'm putting omega instead of omega, if I'm putting V by R, so what will happen? If I'm putting here, so it is V square by R square into R. So this will give me what? This will give me V square by R. What it means? F minus V square by R. This component is what? It is centripetal component. Yes or no? It is towards the center
Yes,
of
sir.
rotation. So that is why I have put negative sign. So parallel component, okay, when we are considering the slider, so it is F minus omega square R. That is a parallel component. Same way, you will have tangential component and its magnitude is alpha into R plus 2 omega R. Now what is alpha R here? What is alpha R here? This component. This is what? Tangential component. Tangential component का magnitude क्या होता है? Alpha into R. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Plus 2 omega R. Now this component, it is a Coriolis component. Coriolis component. Now this is what we are interested over. Omega it is angular velocity and V it is a velocity of the slider. Now let me take you to the next page. Now this will make the things clear. Now absolute velocity of point P. Point P kahan pe hai? It is on slider. It is what? Acceleration parallel to AR plus acceleration perpendicular to the AR. Okay. Now we have found parallel component, it is F minus omega square R plus alpha R. Now this is perpendicular component, alpha R plus 2 omega V. Now if I'm rearranging the terms, it is F, That is what? It is a linear acceleration of piston. Means एग्जाम में भी you will have आपको वैल्यू दिया गया होगा कि linear acceleration of piston f. My piston it is moving, linear acceleration it is this much. Okay, f it is given. Now what is this alpha minus omega square r? It is acceleration of point q with respect to a. So this is point a, this is point p, p it is on slider, and q it is just beneath the link q, and this one. Okay, so what it is now, this link it is ar. Let me write capital letters. This is q and this is a, and this is link ar. Okay, p it is on slider and q it is just beneath the point p. Now you will have linear acceleration. Now this link it is rotating and this pistons it is moving. Either it is moving upward or downward, but we are assuming it is going upward with some acceleration f, linear acceleration. This is what we have. You will be given f. Okay. Now what is alpha r minus omega square r? It is what? Acceleration of point q with respect to a. Okay, acceleration of point, suppose if I'm not considering point p, now this is link, sorry, this is link a, and I'm not considering point p, only q. Now suppose I want to find acceleration of point q with respect to a, तो क्या आएगा? It is made up of two component. One it is a tangential component and another it is a centripetal component. Now tangential component it is what? Alpha into r. So this component perpendicular to the link. So perpendicular to link means in this direction. And this component omega square r it is what? V square by r only. Okay, and it is towards the center of rotation. Means it is in this direction. So this direction towards the center of rotation matlab my link it is rotating with respect to point a. So this will give me what? This is point a1 and this is point q1. So this will, you can measure this component. So this will give you acceleration of point q with respect to a. So this alpha r minus omega square r. This is what? Acceleration of point q with respect to a. Is this clear? Is this
Yes,
clear?
sir.
Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
If you have any confusion, you can ask me. I can repeat it, no issue. Okay. This is what I have not considered point P. I have considered point Q only. Point Q it is here and R it is here. So that time I can have acceleration of point Q with respect to a. It is alpha R minus omega square R. This is what we have discussed in earlier theory also. Okay, but we have to consider piston also. Piston it is sliding upward with some acceleration, so that is why I have taken account F also. Plus now your link it is rotating also. The pistons is moving upward and link it is rotating. So this pistons it is having two motion. One it is a rotating motion and one another it is a linear motion. So that is why you need to consider Coriolis component. So it is 2 omega r. 2 omega r. Now magnitude you can find using this 2 omega r, and direction it is what? You have to consider the velocity of point P with respect to Q. So velocity of point P with respect to Q. Point P ka velocity with respect to it is upward. Now this vector, so this vector, velocity of point P with respect to Q. So this is velocity P with respect to Q. Means what? Your point P, it is moving with respect to Q in upward direction. So that is why that is a velocity of point P. Sorry, let me. This is a velocity of point P with respect to Q. This vector it is what? Velocity of point P because my arrow it is towards P, so with respect to Q. Now this vector, this point P, it is with respect to point Q, it is moving upward. Okay, so this vector, this is the instantaneous velocity, particular instant when time becomes 0. At that instant, point P it is moving in upward direction with respect to point Q. Now this vector I have to rotate in the direction of omega by angle 90 degree. So this vector, now this will give you Coriolis component direction, and its magnitude it is 2 omega r. Now what you need velocity diagram for this, because you have to rotate this vector velocity of point P with respect to Q. वो आपको कहां से मिलेगा? वेलोसिटी डायग्राम से. और वो जो वेक्टर आया, वो वेक्टर को यू हैव टू रोटेट 90 डिग्री इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ ओमेगा. तो आपको डायरेक्शन मिल जाएगा, एंड मैग्नीट्यूड यू कैन फाइंड यूजिंग दिस फॉर्मूला 2 ओमेगा r. Is this clear? Yes or no? We will take numerical so that the things will be clear. 50%, are you clear? 50%? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Other students, please reply.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Let us take one numerical. Now, try to draw one problem with dimension. Many things are well clear. Okay. Now this is what the link OP. P it is on slider. I have mentioned here also P it is on slider, and Q it is link AR. Link AR. Okay. And link it is rotating in clockwise direction, and your piston it is moving on link AR. And this is slider. This is another slider, means it has a linear motion. This it is moving in this direction. So omega it is 210 revolution per minute. Now you need to find the acceleration of slider, this S. So acceleration pucha means you have to draw, you need to draw acceleration diagram. Are you able to visualize the figure? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So first of all, we will draw the velocity diagram. Then we will switch over to acceleration diagram. So how will you start? Any student? Say P it is on slider and Q it is on link AR. So how will you start?
Sir, by finding angular velocity first of all.
Yes, omega is 2 pi n by 60. So it is 2 pi n. So it is 210 2 pi divided by 60. Let me, yes, I have calculated it. Good. Yes, this is what I have calculated. It is RPM it is given 210. Okay, so angular velocity, so this is P with respect to 2 pi n by 60. Now I can find velocity of point P with respect to O. It is what? V is equals to R omega. R it is a length of the link, and omega PO it is what we have calculated. Okay, V is equals to R omega. So it is, now this dimension it is given, yes, OP it is 200 mm. OP it is 200 mm, it is given. Okay, and V is equals to R omega. R I have taken 200 mm. So let me take E. Okay, just a minute. Yes, I have. Yes, I have converted into meter. So fine. So V is equals to R omega means 200 mm. It is 0.2 meter into omega. It is 22. So this is what? 4.4 meter per second. Is this clear? This is what velocity
Yes,
of
sir.
point P with respect to O. When time, the instant, the time it will become tends to 0. That time point P, it is moving in this direction with respect to O. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is an instantaneous velocity. Okay, now I'm having magnitude and I'm having direction, so I can draw the vector. Yes, so my first vector, it is perpendicular to this link, means it is in this direction, and its length it is 4.4. So I have to take scale. So 1 centimeter is equals to 1 meter per second. So 4.4 meter per second is equals to कितना सेंटीमीटर होगा? 4.4 centimeter. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So how will you draw this perpendicular line?
So first of all, fixed point OA.
We'll fix the fixed point. Whatever are the fixed point, we'll draw the O, A, and G. O, it is fixed point. A, it is fixed point, and another point I have taken G. This is point G. This is point G. So this is what I have taken. So OAG. Now you need to draw perpendicular line to this configuration diagram. तो कैसे draw करते हो? How are you?
Roller scale, sir.
Roller scale से. Other students, all are using roller scale.
S square as well as roller scale.
Yes, sir.
Okay, are you comfortable with this? कैसे roller scale से कैसे draw करते हो? Roller
Yes, sir.
कैसे draw करते हो? आपका roller scale तो ऐसे होता है. So how will you draw this?
सर वो उसमें भी एक डिग्री होता है ना सर, 8 वाला, और परपेंडिकुलर कर सकते हो सर उससे ड्रॉ.
Okay. Yes. That way. Yes. So sorry, you have to adjust your roller scale in this manner. Yes or no?
यस सर.
तो यहाँ पे markings भी होते हैं. So you can align.
सर, और एक
हाँ?
सर उस पे प्रोटेक्टर भी है सर.
हाँ, प्रोटेक्टर
scale
है.
में.
So that way you can do. So यहाँ पे marking होता है. You have to align this marking along this link. Then you have to slide your roller in this direction. तो जब यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, you can have perpendicular line. Yes or no? This way you can draw.
Yes.
Yes.
Are you comfortable? At least practice, huh? Otherwise, everything is looking very nice until and unless you practice it. Other way, you can use protector also. Protector भी use कर सकते हो. Let me.
Set square, sir.
हाँ, sorry, set square, sorry. So वो कैसे use करते हो? How are you? कैसे use करते हो? Let me. It is little bit time consuming. Sorry, but once you are familiar, you can draw it. कहाँ चला गया? Okay, यहाँ पे है. You can. In computer, it is taking time, but otherwise you can do it very fast. So first of all, you need to set your set square, or what you can do, you can set your scale first. That way it is easy. Yes, वो easy रहेगा ना. स्केल को पहले जिस लाइन को परपेंडिकुलर करना है वो लाइन के अलाइन कर देने का. Yes. Now you slide. Now you can slide your scale this way. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
है ना. So जहाँ पे point आ गया, of course there is some resolution error है ना, थोड़ा resolution computer का होगा. So that is why it is this much. It is fine. Now you can slide up to जब point A आ जाए, point O आ जाए, वहां तक आप slide कर सकते हो. So this way. Now you can draw the line. So यहाँ से start करके you can draw the line. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So do practice at least one problem. Otherwise कुछ पता नहीं चलेगा. So that is why. Okay. Now let me remove this. Okay. क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? Oh, fine. So first component I have drawn with magnitude. Now what is next? How will you? Now I am having point P. So point P. Okay. Now what you can do? Now for other component, you are not having magnitude, but you are having direction. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so point Q, it is here only, but it is just beneath the point P. So what I can do from point A, I know. So what I can do, I can draw a line from point A, I can draw a line perpendicular to link AR. Okay, so I have drawn one line perpendicular to link AR. Okay, now,
Yes, sir.
okay, but I know point P, it is moving, sorry, point Q with respect to P, it is, or I can say point P, sorry, point P, it is moving, it is having linear motion. So from point P, I can draw a line because my slider jab bhi aayega, your velocity vector, it is along the direction motion of slider. So that is why from point P, I have drawn line parallel to link AR because my slider, it is moving on this link AR. That is why from point P, I have drawn line parallel to the link AR. So wherever it will intersect, that will become point Q. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, once
Yes,
you have
sir.
point Q, how will you find point R? Using this ratio. Now on left hand side, you will have having velocity ratio, and right hand side you will be having length ratio. Okay. Now AR by AQ, AR, I'm interested in this component AR. AQ, it is known to me now because यहाँ पे line जब intersect करेगा, I am having point Q. So AQ, it is known to me. Length AR, it is you can measure. It is yes, it is given 700. So 700, and AQ, it is not given here. It is not given in AQ. So what you can do, you can measure it from the configuration diagram or space diagram. So यहाँ से scale से measure कर लेने का AQ. Okay. So I have put it here. I have put here. Okay, fine. So this comes AR is equals to 4.36 centimeter. Now AR, so you measure from this AR, so you will get point R. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Other students?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now AR, it is now, what is next? Now you are having point R. Now velocity. Now what from point R, what you can do? You can draw a line perpendicular to link RS. Yes. You can draw perpendicular line to link AR. Yes. So from point A, you can draw perpendicular line to link AR. Yes, you can draw it. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Now what is last step?
Slider, sir.
Yes, because slider, again, it is your velocity vector, it is along the slider motion. So from point O, or I can say your slider, it is having this, it is moving in this direction, linear. So from point A or G, because G, it is here, fixed point. Okay, so from here I can draw a line parallel to the slider motion. So wherever it will intersect, that is point S. Now I hope it is clear. Velocity diagram. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now if I ask you to find the slider velocity, which component you will measure? Which component you will
Sorry, sir.
measure? If I ask you to find the slider velocity, so which component you will take into account? Let me, ये मुझे निकाल देने दो. Yes. Are you getting my question? मैंने पूछा कि
Yes,
स्लाइडर
sir.
का वेलोसिटी निकालो, कैसे निकालोगे? स्लाइडर का वेलोसिटी निकालोगे तो विच कंपोनेंट यू विल
सर
मेजर?
लीनियर वेलोसिटी।
यस, लीनियर वेलोसिटी। मैंने वेलोसिटी, एंगुलर वेलोसिटी तो मैंने बोला ही नहीं ना। आई हैव आस्क्ड वेलोसिटी। ओके, सो विच कंपोनेंट यू विल मेजर? यस, गुड।
O1
कौन
to
सा?
S सर।
सॉरी?
O1 to S सर।
Yes, so this component you will measure. Yes. So this comes around 3.6 centimeter. तो स्लाइडर की वेलोसिटी कितनी होगी? स्लाइडर की वेलोसिटी, स्लाइडर वेलोसिटी
3.6 मीटर पर सेकंड।
yes, because 3.6 meter per second, because my scale it is centimeter. 1 centimeter is equals to 1 meter per second. So you have to measure in centimeter only, huh? Because you have taken scale in centimeter. So up to this, I think it is clear. If you have any confusion, you can ask me. Any confusion? Yes or no?
No, sir.
Okay,
जब
good.
हम लीनियर वेलोसिटी को कैलकुलेट करते हैं सर, ऐसे लीनियर वेलोसिटी फाइंड करते हैं सर,
हाँ,
तो स्केल चेंजेस है तो स्केल चेंजेस करना पड़ेगा ना
क्या बोला आपने? स्केल?
सर? लीनियर वेलोसिटी जैसे कि हमने 3.4 मीटर पर सेकंड आंसर आया, अगर स्केल है तो उसको कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा स्केल में।
यस, स्केल है तो यू नीड टू कन्वर्ट इट, बट यहाँ तो मेरा 1 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल्स टू 1 मीटर पर सेकंड ही था, है ना? अगर मेरा स्केल ऐसे होता कि 1 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल्स टू 0.5, सॉरी, ओके फाइन, मीटर पर सेकंड, तो आपका आंसर क्या था? अगर मैंने ये स्केल से ड्रॉ किया होता 1
Sir,
सेंटीमीटर,
into 0.5 कर देते हैं सर. 3.6 into 0.5.
तो सेंटीमीटर में मेजर करना है क्योंकि यहाँ पे सेंटीमीटर लिया है। सो 3 पॉइंट कितना था हमारा?
3.6 सेंटीमीटर
इंटू 0.5, so it is 1.8 meter per second. This is what velocity of slider with respect to fixed point. I hope it is clear. Yes,
यस सर।
who
यस
was that?
सर भार्गव सर।
Bhargav, yes. Bhargav, it is clear?
यस सर।
Good. Any other confusion? You can ask me. Huh? Okay, good. So now थोड़ा इस तरफ, let me take it. Okay, fine. Now say whenever you are drawing a velocity or acceleration diagram, make sure your space diagram, velocity diagram, and acceleration diagram, it is on the same plane, same page. Otherwise it is difficult to take the perpendicular lines or parallel lines. Okay, so you have to accommodate your velocity diagram, space diagram in the single page only, है ना? तो थोड़ा space इस हिसाब से लेने का. Okay, fine. So first of all, you need to make this table. So again, now for yes, this, okay. Now for acceleration diagram, we are using suffix 1. Okay, so again, whatever are the fixed point, A1, O1 and G1, these are the fixed point. Okay, now alpha it is given, so first component you can find, sorry, alpha it is not given, alpha for this link it is not given, so only you will be having only one component. You are having only one component, which is that you are having only one component. Tangential component it is 0. Tangential component acceleration of point P with respect to O, then again it is a tangential component, it is 0. So which one is remaining? Centripetal component. Yes.
यस
स्पेस
सर।
डायग्राम भूल गए? हाँ, so I'm interested to find acceleration of point P with respect to O. acceleration of point P with respect to O. Now it has two components. One, it is a tangential component, and another it is a radial component. Now tangential component alpha, it is not given, means it is 0. And radial component, how will you find? It is V square by R. So V square, which component? This component. V square, this component. V square, V PO square divided by OP. Is this clear? First component.
Yes, sir.
Centripetal component.
Yes, sir.
It is V square PO. So that is why we are drawing velocity diagram. Now again, I am using 4.4. You can measure it. 4.4 and divide by length. So it is, again, this is in meter, this is in meter. 4.4 whole square divided by 0.2. So this comes around 96.8. Now this component, it is parallel to the link OP because it is a radial component. Radial component means parallel to the link OP. And sense कौन सा होगा? Towards the center of rotation. तो इसका center of rotation कौन सा है? O. Means it is the vector, it is going parallel to the link OP and it is going in this direction. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Okay. So this vector, it is going towards the center of rotation, towards O. Is this clear? First vector.
Yes, sir.
Because tangential vector, it is not given, and you will be having only one component, it is a radial component, and you will be having magnitude also, V square by R, and velocity V square by V square, it is V square PO square divided by the length OP. Now this, it is 96. Now I have taken scale. 1 centimeter is equals to 10 meter per second square. तो ये लेंथ कितना आएगा? 96.8. कितना लेंथ आएगा फर्स्ट वेक्टर का? Any student? My scale, it is this much. 9.6. Yes, 1 centimeter is equals to 10 meter per second square. Fine. Okay, so this is 96.8, so it is 9.6. Okay, so first component, it is this much, this component. Any confusion in first vector?
No, sir.
Any confusion? Yes, कोई भी students को confusion तो पूछ सकता है. First vector, it is going downward. This is what? Velocity, acceleration of point P1 with respect to O1. It consists of two components. One, it is a tangential component, and another is radial component. But tangential component, it is not there. Only you will be having centripetal component or radial component. I hope it is clear. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now Coriolis component. So Coriolis component magnitude is what? How will you find magnitude? Yes, कोई बताएगा मुझे magnitude? How will you find magnitude? इसका magnitude क्या था? We have discussed in theory Coriolis component का. It is 2 omega v.
2R.
Yes, 2, not 2 r omega. It is 2 omega v. It is 2 omega v. Okay, so omega, it is angular velocity, and this velocity vector. Just a minute, huh? Okay, so this velocity vector, we have already derived it. Okay, 2 omega v. This is Coriolis component. Okay, so v omega v. So omega, it is omega कैसे 6.22 आ गया? Yes, ओमेगा कैसे आ गया? Okay, I have made the mistake, I think. ओमेगा कैसे आ गया? 6.22 कैसे आ गया? बस पता चल रहा है? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
This vector, it is fine. Omega, it is 6. ओमेगा कैसे आ गया? I have made the mistake, I think. Just a minute, huh?
Sir, velocity of CO we have to find, sir.
Sorry.
Velocity of CO वो उसमें कैलकुलेट होगा सर कोरियोलिस में.
Velocity of
CO.
CO? What is CO? नहीं, ओमेगा. This vector it is fine, okay. वो तो हम measure कर लेंगे because PQ है, so this vector we can now measure and we can convert it into scale. So this value it is 2.35 meter per second. Yes, this component it is fine. VQP, velocity of point Q with respect to P. Okay, we can measure it and we can convert it into scale. But यहाँ पे omega of sorry. Okay.
Sir, RA, velocity of RA, sir.
Velocity of
RA.
No. This it is omega, it is 120. Okay, यहाँ पे 120 है. 210. Just a minute, huh? I have made the mistake. कैसे दिख रहा है? 20 into 2 into 3.4 divided by 6. It's 120, huh? My mistake. This it is no angle. It is 120. So I have made a mistake. Just a minute. Omega it is 2 pi n. यहाँ पे कितना लिया था मैंने? Just a minute. One 120 into 2 pi. मैंने already किया 60. Okay. In short, it is omega only 2 pi n by 60 and it is 120. I think I have considered 120. So that is why it is 6.22. Is this clear? Omega, it is angular velocity of this link, OP. Is this clear? V omega, 2 times V omega, where V it is a slider velocity and omega it is angular velocity of the crank. Is this clear? Yes or no? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
पता चला? I think I have made mistake here. यहाँ पे 210 नहीं होना चाहिए, 120 it is only. है ना? तो if I am putting 120 here, so this is 6.22. So it is 2 omega V. So this component it is a Coriolis component. Now Coriolis component, how will you find direction? Magnitude आपको मिल गया. Now how will you find its direction? कोई बताएगा? How will you find its direction? Yes, any student? How will you find?
Perpendicular, sir. Perpendicular to AR.
not AR, this vector. This vector, it is in this direction. Yes. Slider velocity of point Q with respect to P. I have taken it from the velocity diagram. Now this vector I have to rotate 90 degree in the direction of angular velocity. Yes. So this crank, it is rotating in clockwise direction. Same way, I have to rotate this vector clockwise direction by 90 degree. So this vector, it is in this direction. Is this clear? पता चला? This slider, this is the vector velocity of point Q with respect to P. This is a slider velocity. Okay. So this vector I have to rotate 90 degree in the direction of omega. Omega, it is clockwise. Omega, it is clockwise. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this vector, it is going downward direction. Now this vector I have to rotate clockwise direction. So this vector I have to rotate clockwise direction by 90 degree. So this will give you direction of Coriolis component. Yes. I hope it is clear. This vector. So from here, what I have drawn vector in this direction. Length कितना आएगा? कोई बताएगा मुझे? Length. How will you find its length? Direct से मुझे पता चल गया. Now how will you find its length? कैसे? Yes.
Converting scales.
हाँ, yes, 35.5 इसका magnitude है. You convert it into scale. Okay, so now you are having its length also.
2.55 centimeter.
हाँ, तो Q dash मिल गया आपको. हाँ, अभी Q नहीं मिला है. Q dash मैंने लिखा है. Now we have on another linear component acceleration also. Linear acceleration of slider also, because your slider, it is moving in this direction. So what I can do, I can draw a line parallel to this link. So from here, what I have done, I have drawn parallel line. मैंने पूरा एक line खींच लिया. This is linear acceleration. क्योंकि first term क्या आ रहा था? इसका linear acceleration. Okay, when we have discussed theory, that time we have seen the first term, it is a linear acceleration. Okay, so first vector मैंने ये line खींच लिया. Okay, now moving next. Now linear acceleration parallel to do. Now yes, centripetal component of QA. Okay, point Q, it is just beneath the point P. Now I am interested to find acceleration of point Q with respect to A, because point Q, it is on link AR. Okay, so it has two components. One, it is a one it is a radial component or centripetal component, and another, it is a tangential component. Okay, so radial component, I can find V square QA divided by AQ. Yes or no? Yes or no? V square QA divided by AQ. पॉइंट Q यहाँ पे है, जस्ट बिनीथ द पॉइंट P के नीचे ही है. अभी उसका एक्सेलरेशन मुझे विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू पॉइंट A फाइंड करना है. सो इट हैज टू कंपोनेंट. वन, इट इज अ रेडियल कंपोनेंट एंड अनदर, इट इज अ टेंजेंशियल कंपोनेंट. रेडियल कंपोनेंट का मैग्नीट्यूड क्या है? V स्क्वायर बाय R, और R की जगह पे मैं AQ लिख सकता हूँ. यस और नो? तो यहाँ पे भी मुझे लिखना पड़ेगा Q विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू A. यस और नो? This is, sorry, not velocity. This is radial acceleration of point Q with respect to A. Is this clear? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. ये कहाँ से निकालूं मैं? V square QA. V square Q.
So finding velocity.
Yes, good. So from velocity diagram, you measure this component, you square it. okay, and you divide by its length AQ. Okay, so you can get it this. So 3.3 square divided by 0.53. Again, I have converted into centimeter, sorry, meter. So you will get 20.55. Now this component, it is parallel to link AQ, yes or no? Parallel to link AQ, yes or no? Because
Yes, sir.
okay, AQ, so it is parallel to. So from point A, I can draw a line parallel to link. Now it is going downward. Why it is going downward? Because it is towards the point of rotation. Yes, towards the point of rotation, towards the point A. So that is why it is downward. Yes, Q it is here, but my radial component, it is parallel and it is towards the center of rotation, means it is going in downward direction. Yes?
Yes, sir.
or no? Okay. Now you will be having tangential component. Now tangential component, what you need is alpha into length. Length हमारे पास है, but we are not having alpha value, but we are having direction. So from point Q double dash, I can draw line perpendicular this line. So this previous perpendicular line and this line, wherever it will intersect, you will have point Q1. Point Q1. Is this clear? This line and perpendicular line, wherever it will intersect, you will have point Q1. Now this is what? Acceleration of point Q with respect to fixed point A or O or G, whatever. Okay. Now once you have point Q, you can get point R. कैसे point R मिलेगा? Yes, कोई बताएगा मुझे? Acceleration ratio. Yes. So I can use this ratio A1 R1 divided by A1 Q1. Yes, is equals to, this is length ratio AR AQ. Now A1 R1 I am interested. A1 Q1 वो कहाँ से मिलेगा? A1 Q1 A1 Q1 कहाँ से मिलेगा? Yes, A1 Q1 कहाँ से मिलेगा? Any student? A1 Q1 कहाँ से मिलेगा? I want to
Velocity,
look.
sir.
नहीं, this is acceleration ratio. This is length ratio. Okay. Now this is acceleration ratio. So A1 R1 मुझे point Q तो मिल गया है. Sorry. मुझे ये point मिल गया है ऐसे. ये point Q. Now I can join this point. This point. Now point R. Point R कहाँ पे है? It is A, Q and R. So my sequence is A, Q and on this line. So I can extend this line. So R it is somewhere here. ये side पे आएगा because A1, Q1 or R it is somewhere, because on configuration diagram you can see it is A, Q and R. So same sequence I have to follow. A, Q and R. So I have to extend this line. But कहाँ पे आएगा exactly? वो मुझे find करने के लिए I have to use this ratio. जैसे कि velocity diagram में किया था. Yes or no? Yes or no? नहीं पता चला?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I can use this ratio A1 R1 divided by A1 Q1 is equals to AR divided by AQ. Now मुझे क्या कौन सा? This is unknown A1 R1. A1 Q1 कहाँ से मिलेगा? Yes, कोई बताएगा मुझे? A1 Q1 you can measure it from this diagram, acceleration diagram, and you put this value. Divide by 700 divided by 550. So A1 R1 it is 4.5 centimeter. Now from here A1 R1. So from here you can have point R1. Is this clear? Yes or no?
Sir, 4.55 centimeter, we have to convert it into scale
No.
or directly we have to draw?
नहीं, हमने क्या किया यहाँ पे देखो, A1 Q1 हमने किस में लिया था, यहाँ पे मेजर करके जो भी यूनिट आया वही यूनिट में रखा हमने, सो नो नीड टू कन्वर्ट इट। यहाँ पे कितना 3.45 है, ये मेजर किया। ओके, तो मैंने सीधा 3.45 रख दिया। ओके, नो नीड टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू स्केल। 3.45 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, फिर 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है। यस, बिकॉज
Yes,
अगर
sir.
आप मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो यहाँ से फिर से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा, और अगेन यू हैव टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू स्केल। यस,
Yes, sir.
है ना, सो नो नीड टू कन्वर्ट इट इन। फाइन, now you are having point R1. Now I am interested in S1 because only last point it is left, it is S. So on acceleration diagram it is S1. Now again, this link, last link RS, it has two component. One, it is a centripetal component and a radial component, and another is a tangential component. So centripetal component, it is V square by R, but it is velocity of point S with respect to R, S with respect to R. So this is V square. So how will you find this component? This is RS component, V square. This is this component, it is V S R. So radial component के लिए what you need? V square by R. So it is 1.45 divided by 0.3. It is parallel to RS. It is parallel to RS, means in this direction radial component, and in this direction towards the center of rotation, means towards the R. So I have to draw a line parallel to link RS and towards the R. So towards the R. Okay, so in this direction. Fine, this is a radial component, and tangential component direction नहीं है, sorry, magnitude नहीं है, उसका magnitude it is unknown, but direction it is perpendicular. So I can draw perpendicular line from here. So perpendicular line, I have drawn this line, perpendicular line, extend कर दिया ऐसे ऊपर और नीचे. Now last thing it is left, piston it is having slider motion. So piston S, so acceleration of point S with respect to G, it is linear. So what I can do, from point G, I can draw parallel line to slider. So wherever it will intersect, that is point S1. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you will be having this acceleration diagram. Okay. Now suppose if I ask you find the acceleration of point S, so how will you find acceleration of point S with respect to fixed point? So कौन सा component measure करोगे, कौन सा vector measure करोगे?
O1
Yes.
to S1, sir.
Yes,
point.
good. Okay, so you can measure this vector. Suppose this is coming, this is coming 2.4 centimeter. तो कितना आएगा? 2.4 centimeter. So it is
2.4 meter per second square.
you need to multiply with 10. So 24 meter per second square. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Is this clear? Okay. So this is what your yes, this is what your acceleration diagram. Any confusion in this? This is acceleration of point S with respect to G. So G1 S1 into scale. So when I have drawn it with scale, so it is 3.2 into 10. So it is 32 meter per second. I have scanned it and I am zooming it. So the scale will get change. Huh? अगर फिर से zoom करूँगा तो वो scale change होता रहेगा. Okay. So again, yes, scale तो वही रहेगा, but yes, when I am scanning it, that time the scale might get change. Okay. So when you practice it, you will get the same answer. No issue. Sorry. Any confusion in this? Yes or no? Confusion?
No,
Any
sir.
other students? I can repeat it, huh? No issue. If you have any confusion, you can ask me. मुझे कुछ बुरा नहीं लगेगा. Any confusion? Yes or no? You have to make this table whenever you want to find acceleration diagram. You want to make this table so that the things will be very easy for you. The vector, direction, and sense. Vectors means its magnitude. So centripetal component, it is v square by r, and tangential component, it is alpha into r. Okay, direction, it is parallel to the link. Centripetal component and tangential component, it is perpendicular to the link. Coriolis component कैसे find करोगे? Direction. Any student, how will you find direction of Coriolis
2 into
component?
omega into omega.
Yes, you have to rotate velocity vector of slider. So velocity vector of slider, it is this one. Yes. Now this vector you have to rotate 90 degree in the direction of omega. Omega, it is rotating clockwise direction. So clockwise means it is in this direction. Yes. So this is 2 omega v q p. Yes, is this clear?
Yes,
or
sir.
no? Okay. So we'll stop here. Any confusion? If you have any confusion, you can ask me. Otherwise, we'll stop here. Yes, any confusion?